Hello kids, how are you all? Today, let's play a mystery game called Sounds of Animals. Our first sound is ba. Can you name the animal who says ba? Yes, you are right. A sheep says ba. Woof, woof. Can you name the animal who says woof? Yes, you can. Well done. You are right. A dog says woof. Can you name an animal who says oink, oink? Yes, you are right. It's a pig. Bye. Thanks for watching.